You are watching a master at work.
Shut up.
Welcome back to Turbo Mechanic. In this video, I'll show you how to drift stitch on your motorcycle. You can see there's a vertical crack on this side panel. You need to drill holes to insert the stitch. Start by drilling from the top. You'll have to drill holes each side of the crack. This drill bit is too big, so I am using a smaller one. Keep drilling holes each side in a line. Removing the panels so I don't drill into the battery. This crack was already stuck with sand and super glue. All the holes are ready. You will need zip ties to make the stitch. I have chose white to match with the black panel. You can go creative and pick any color you want. Insert the zip tie at one hole. You'll need to insert and bring it back the other hole. Don't forget to put the zip ties in a crisscross pattern. Drilling the final hole. Now insert as shown here. Pull all the way out and insert it inside the opposite hole. Lock the zip tie and cut off excess. Looks neat. Let's finish the other holes. And there you go. This looks so cool. Install it back to the bike. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this mod. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for mods like this. See you in the next video.